Hey AutoDriveX family, welcome back. Are you ready for the next generation Honda Accord? One of the most iconic midsize sedans is back with a fresh design, upgraded technology, and enhanced performance. But the big question is the 2025 Honda Accord truly a game changer, or is it just another yearly refresh? In today's video, we will dive deep into its exterior styling, interior comfort, advanced technology, performance, safety features, expected price, and much more. But before we begin, let me ask you this. If you had to choose between a brand new Honda Accord and a Tesla Model 3, which one would you pick? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Is the new Accord ready to take on competitors like the Toyota Camry, BMW 3 Series, and Tesla Model 3? Let's find out. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on the latest automotive news. Now, let's get started. The 2025 Honda Accord takes sophistication and sportiness to a whole new level. Honda has refined its design, giving it a more premium and aggressive look, while maintaining the elegance that Accord lovers appreciate. At first glance, the new Accord features a bolder front grille with a sleek honeycomb pattern, complemented by ultra-thin LED headlights that seamlessly integrate into the design. The sharper lines and sculpted bodywork give it a more aerodynamic profile, enhancing both aesthetics and efficiency. Moving to the side profile, Honda has added a longer, more streamlined silhouette, making it appear more luxurious and dynamic. The 18-inch alloy wheels come as standard, while higher trims feature stunning 19-inch blacked-out alloys for a sportier appeal. At the back, the 2025 Accord is equipped with redesigned LED taillights that stretch across the trunk, giving it a futuristic touch. The dual exhaust tips on sportier trims and a subtle rear spoiler add a performance-driven vibe to this otherwise elegant sedan. Honda is offering the 2025 Accord in a range of striking colors, including crystal black pearl, platinum white, radiant red metallic, and the all-new sonic grey pearl. The Accord has always been a stylish mid-size sedan, but this year, Honda has truly outdone itself. It looks sleeker, sportier, and more premium than ever before. What do you think about the new design? Is it better than the previous generation? Let us know in the comments below. Stepping inside the 2025 Honda Accord, you're immediately greeted with a cabin that feels more premium, spacious, and tech-savvy than ever before. Honda has focused on minimalist luxury with high-quality materials and a driver-centric layout. The dashboard now features a sleek, horizontal design, giving it a modern and uncluttered feel. The centerpiece? A 12.3-inch high-resolution infotainment touchscreen, the largest ever in an Accord. It comes equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity. Plus, for the first time, select trims will include Google built-in for navigation and voice control. Right behind the steering wheel, you'll find a 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster, providing real-time information with crisp graphics. And to elevate the ambience, Honda has introduced customizable ambient lighting, allowing drivers to set the mood with multiple color options. The seats have been redesigned for better ergonomics, featuring premium leather upholstery and higher trims. Heated and ventilated front seats add to the comfort, while the panoramic sunroof, available on touring trims, makes the cabin feel more open and airy. Rear passengers are not left out. Either there's increased legroom and rear climate vents for added comfort. For music lovers, the Bose 12-speaker premium audio system delivers an immersive listening experience. Honda has also enhanced sound insulation, ensuring a quieter ride by reducing road and wind noise. The 2025 Accord's interior is a perfect blend of sophistication and cutting-edge technology. From the massive touchscreen to the premium finishes, it truly sets a new benchmark in the mid-size sedan segment. Is the tech-loaded cabin of the new Accord something you'd love in your next car? Drop your thoughts in the comments. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Honda Accord strikes a perfect balance between power, efficiency, and smooth handling. Whether you're looking for a comfortable daily driver or a fun-to-drive sedan, the Accord delivers on all fronts. Under the hood, the 2025 Accord offers two impressive powertrain options. 1.5L turbocharged inline, -4 engine 192 horsepower, and 192 pounds-ft of torque, mated to a CVT transmission for seamless power delivery. Enhanced fuel efficiency, making it an ideal choice for city and highway driving. 2.0L hybrid powertrain. Available in Sport, EXL, and Touring trims. 204 horsepower and 247 pounds-ft of torque, paired with dual electric motors, ensuring instant torque and smooth acceleration. Best-in-class fuel economy, perfect for eco-conscious drivers. Honda engineers have fine-tuned the chassis and suspension, making the 2025 Accord more stable and responsive than ever. The McPherson strut front suspension and multi-link rear suspension provide a comfortable yet sporty ride. Whether you're taking tight corners or cruising on the highway, the steering feels precise and well-weighted. The Accord comes with multiple drive modes, allowing you to customize your driving experience. Econ mode optimizes fuel efficiency for longer drives. Normal mode, perfect for daily commuting. Sport mode enhances throttle response and steering for a dynamic feel. Honda has also improved the braking system, ensuring shorter stopping distances and more confidence-inspiring performance. The 2025 Honda Accord is a true all-rounder whether you want fuel efficiency, sporty driving dynamics, or hybrid performance. It delivers on all counts. A mid-size sedan that doesn't just get you from point A to B, but makes the journey enjoyable. Do you prefer the efficient hybrid or the turbocharged engine? Comment below with your choice. When it comes to safety, the 2025 Honda Accord continues to set high standards in the mid-size sedan segment. Honda has always prioritized driver and passenger protection, and this model is no exception. Packed with advanced safety technologies and driver assistance features, the new Accord ensures you and your loved ones stay protected on every journey. The 2025 Accord comes equipped with Honda's latest sensing suite, offering a comprehensive set of safety features. Collision mitigation braking system, CMBS, automatically applies brakes if a frontal collision is imminent. Road departure mitigation, RDM, alerts the driver and provides steering assistance to keep the car on the road. Adaptive cruise control, ACC, maintains a safe following distance and adjusts speed automatically. Lane keeping assist system, LKAS, gently steers the vehicle to keep it centered in its lane. Traffic sign recognition, TSR, detects and displays road signs on the digital instrument cluster. In addition to Honda sensing, the higher trims of the 2025 Accord offer even more safety innovations. Blind spot information system alerts you of vehicles in your blind spots for safer lane changes. Rear cross traffic monitor warns you of approaching traffic when reversing. Front and rear parking sensors make tight parking spots easier and safer. Traffic jam assist helps maintain lane position and speed in slow-moving traffic. Honda has reinforced the 2025 Accord with its ACE Advanced Compatibility Engineering body structure, ensuring maximum crash protection. It is expected to earn top safety ratings from the IIHS, Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, and NHTSA, National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. The 2025 Honda Accord is more than just a stylish and comfortable ride, it's a safety powerhouse. With its Honda sensing technology and robust safety features, it offers peace of mind for both drivers and passengers. Whether you're commuting or taking a long road trip, you can drive with confidence, knowing Honda has your back. Which safety feature do you think is most important in a modern sedan? Let us know in the comments. The 2025 Honda Accord brings together a stunning design, cutting-edge technology, and reliable performance. But the big question is, how much will it cost? Let's break down the expected pricing and see if this sedan truly delivers value for money. While Honda has yet to officially announce the pricing, industry experts predict the starting MSRP to be around LX base model, $28,500, EX model, $31,000, Sport hybrid, $33,500, EXL hybrid, $35,500, Touring hybrid, top trim, $39,500, compared to the 2024 model, These prices indicate a small increase, mainly due to enhanced features and improved hybrid technology. The Touring Hybrid, with its premium interior, advanced tech, and superior safety features, remains the best choice for those seeking a luxury experience at a competitive price. Absolutely! The 2025 Accord offers class-leading reliability, strong resale value, and an efficient powertrain, making it one of the best choices in the mid-size sedan segment. Sleek and modern exterior with a bold front grille and LED lighting. High-tech interior with a large infotainment screen and digital cluster. Fuel-efficient hybrid options for eco-conscious drivers. Honda Sensing Safety Suite standard across all trims. Refined performance with a smooth and comfortable ride. Some competitors offer more horsepower in base models. No AWD option competitors like Toyota Camry and Subaru Legacy offer it. The 2025 Honda Accord stays true to its legacy of reliability and innovation. It's an ideal choice for buyers looking for a sleek, fuel-efficient, and tech-packed sedan at a reasonable price. If you value comfort, safety, and cutting-edge technology, the new Accord deserves a spot on your shortlist. Would you pick the 2025 Honda Accord over its rivals like the Toyota Camry or Hyundai Sonata? Let us know in the comments.